if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bells on all. Alright guys, and you know what to do, share this video, share this.
Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, It's Me Wanston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's Me Wanston, yes honey, it's now live. Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up?
Hey you guys, welcome back guys to another amazing Cook With Me. Yes guys, it's me Wanston. Yes, so today, before we begin, we're going to wash our hands guys. We are going to wash our hands. Alright? Before we begin, so today we're going to be making a nice, healthy, healthy dish. We're going to be making ground turkey chili, guys. I'm just going to have a little bit of white rice on the side with some veggies. All right, guys? If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead, you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bells on all. All right, guys? And you know what to do. Share this video out with your friends and your family members. And if you'd like to become a Yes Honey, go ahead, join the family, hit that join button, guys. All right? Let's get to cooking. Okay, guys? Yes. So, what we're going to do is, I have our ground turkey here. This was a big pack of ground turkey. So what I did, I just cut half of it. So you only need like about this much for your chili. So what we're going to do is put our ground turkey here in this pot. We're going to put it on a medium heat. Okay? Just put a little bit of olive oil. Oh, sugar. Come on. In our pot. Okay. Just going to put a little bit of olive oil. Alright, just a little dab. And we're going to let that cook down for a moment. Okay. We're going to let that simmer down for a moment. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make our butter rice, guys. Okay? So we're going to do some butter white rice. Okay? So I keep my rice in this container here. So I'm going to have to scoop it out because I do not want to make a mess. Hold on. Alright. Okay. Give me 1 second. Alright. So. Alright, guys. Okay, so this is about a serving. In this coffee cup right here, that's about a serving of rice. So, we're going to put this in our pot right here. Okay? And then we're just going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder. Okay? And then we're going to add some adobo seasoning. Alright? And then we're gonna drop in our butter. All right, we're gonna cut another stick of butter here. All right, I gotta find my garlic. Hold on 1 second. About 2 more sticks of butter, so that should be good. All right. Oh, I did put my garlic in there. Okay. And then we're gonna put some water in there. All right. And then we're gonna turn our fire on a medium heat. We're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Okay. Now let's check our ground turkey here. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So let me get a spatula here for our ground turkey. So what I'm doing, I was just separating the turkey, the ground turkey. It's simmering right now. So once it's fully ground and everything, the only thing that we'll probably need is just a green pepper, 1 onion, because we're going to use half of it. We're also going to put a little bit of Szechuan seasoning, our cooking base, sofrito, and you're going to need some red small kidney beans. Okay, and then our seasonings, which is black pepper, paprika. Of course, you're going to need some chili powder. So yes, that is what we're going to need. So guys, once our brown turkey simmers, we'll be back. Hey you guys, so we're back. All right, I'm going to bring you guys over here so you guys can see just a little bit. I'm going to turn down our rice over here. As you guys can see, our brown turkey is starting to come together. So we're just going to turn this down a little bit. Alright, so what you're going to need is just a spatula to make sure it's good. I'm going to mix this rice over here. Alright. Okay. So now what we're going to do for our ground turkey here is put our beans in there. Okay. Alright guys, so we're going to put our beans. Okay. We get another spoon. Alright, we're going to put our beans in here. Alright. We're going to mix this. Okay. Alright, we want this to cook. As it cook well, let it cook down. Okay, now as that cooks, we're going to start to chop up our onions and green pepper, guys. We're going to need 1 green pepper. Now we're not using the whole thing, so you only need about this much of the green pepper. Because you don't need a lot. Okay. Now we're going to put this in here. And then we're going to do our onion. Okay. All right. So about this much of your onion. All right. Okay. So you want to make sure. Okay. So 1 can of red beans, guys, will be perfectly fine for your chili. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay. All right, guys. So now we're gonna put some minced garlic. All right, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic in there. We're gonna add some sofrito. 1 tablespoon of that. And then we're gonna do some cooking base. A tablespoon of the cooking base. All right, guys. Okay, we're gonna check our greens part right now. 1 second. Okay. Our rice is almost done. It's nice and buttery. It's nice and buttery. So we're gonna just add a little more water. Okay, we're gonna mix all of this together. All right. We're gonna mix all of that together, guys. Now we're gonna do our seasonings. Okay. So we're going in with some adobo seasoning. And then we're gonna go in with some onion powder. Make sure you continue to mush your ground turkey down. All right, and then we're gonna do some black pepper. Okay. Some garlic powder. All right. And we're gonna do some paprika. All right. Okay. 1 package of the Szechuan seasoning. All right. And then finally, we're gonna add our chili powder. Okay, about 2 or 3 drops of the chili powder. All right, and we're gonna mix all of this together. All right. As you stir it, make sure that you mush it down. Okay. I know you guys are asking me in the chat, how can I hold a hot pot? Well, that's because I'm from the islands, and we're used to. So we're gonna go in with some spaghetti sauce. Some people use tomato sauce. I don't use tomato sauce, so You can use tomato sauce if you like. I don't recommend you use tomato sauce. So yeah, if the pot wasn't too hot, I wouldn't be holding it like this. But that's just what you will see some folk from the islands do. Alright. Okay, so now we're gonna let this simmer, guys. We're gonna let that simmer. We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of dry parsley. Okay, you can also add, if you have some Italian seasonings or Italian herbs. If you have. Okay, so we're just gonna let that simmer. Alright, and for our veggies over here, I'm just gonna do some mixed vegetables, cauliflower and some carrots. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. And some onion adobo seasoning, sorry. And that'll be it, guys. Okay? So we're gonna let this cook down. Alright, guys. So we're gonna turn on our chili real quick. Just turn it on a low fire. We're gonna turn on our veggies. Cover. Alright, hold on, guys. Okay. Let that cook down. And we're gonna let this cook down. This is our chili. Alright. Turn off our rice, guys, so that should be done. Which is done. Let's put some parsley in there. Alright. And then the next time we come back, we shall be plating. Alright? Hey, you guys. So we're back. As you guys can see, our chili is done. Our greens is done. And also our rice, guys. So we're going to plate now. Alright. Okay. Alright, guys. There we have it. White rice, ground turkey, chili, and some mixed veggies. Look at that, guys. See how beautiful it looks? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share this video out. Share this video out. Alright, guys. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys.
What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?